Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're talking about an error which is the tax calculation not working error on Gumroad in 2026. And if taxes aren't calculated properly on Gumroad, this can lead to compliance issues or incorrect pricing. Whether VAT, sales taxes, or regional taxes, Getting this right is important. So let's fix this step by step by following these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to check the tax settings. You're going to go first to the settings here. After you log into your account, you're going to make sure to go to the settings area here. And then you're going to check the settings. You're going to click on the payment settings, click on payments here. And in this section, you're going to make sure the tax collection is enabled, required tax information is completed, and incomplete tax setup can stop automatic calculations. Second thing you want to do is to verify the product type. Some tax rules depends on digital products, physical products, and memberships. So make sure the correct product is selected. After that, you're going to confirm the customer's location detection. Now, tax calculation depends on billing addresses and IP-based locations. So if the customer uses VPNs or incorrect billing infos, tax may not calculate correctly. Also, make sure to check the VAT ID settings. If still in regions requiring VAT, ensure the VAT ID setup is correct and confirm reverse charge settings. Now, improper VAT configuration may block calculation, so make sure to test the checkout yourself. You can use incognito mode or different country billing addresses and confirm the taxes calculated properly during checkout. Now, tax calculation issue usually happens because of the incomplete tax setup, incorrect product types, or billing mismatches. Review your tax settings carefully and test the checkout to confirm everything works correctly. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.